Hey, John, are you ready for the math exam next week?
Ugh, not really. I've barely started studying. How about you?
I've reviewed most of the chapters already. I'm just revising now.
Wow, I wish I could be that organized. I always say I'll study early, but end up cramming the night before.
That's stressful. I used to do that too, but it never really worked. Now I study a little every day. It helps me remember things better.
I know, but I get distracted so easily. I start with math, then suddenly I'm watching YouTube.
I get it. I use the Pomodoro method, 25 minutes of focused study, then a 5-minute break. It keeps me on track.
That sounds interesting. Do you use any apps?
Yeah, I use Forest to stay focused and Notion for notes. Also, I make colourful flashcards. It's fun and helps me memorize faster.
Just write things down once and forget them. Maybe I need to try flashcards too. How do you deal with subjects you don't like?
I break it into small parts and set mini goals, like study 2 pages, then reward myself with a snack or music. That way, I don't get overwhelmed.
Nice. I always feel overwhelmed and then give up. What about group study? Do you like that?
Sometimes, but only if the group is serious. Otherwise, we just talk and waste time. I prefer to study alone first, then discuss questions with friends.
Good idea. Maybe we can review some questions together tomorrow?
Sure, let's meet after class. We can quiz each other.
Thanks, Mary. I really need to get serious this time. I want to improve my grades.
You can do it, John. Just make a plan and stick to it. Studying doesn't have to be boring.
You're right. Starting today, I'll make a schedule. Wish me luck.
Good luck. And remember, one step at a time. You've got this.